Okay, Pyro people. Still don't know if I can say that. Blackhawk Army, maybe? Yeah. Gotta discount fireworks and metal art in Necedah. A whole bunch of 500 grams and 200 grams mixed in. Start on down here. You got Morning Breath up top to the left. That's 36, 25 shots. You got Gator Plank by No Name. That's 49 shots, 27 bucks. You got Dr. Quack. That's 36 shots, 36 bucks. Angry Pandas. That is 14 shots, 38 bucks from Winda. You haven't seen that one. That one's been out for a while. Fresh Catch. 40 bucks, 19 shots from No Name. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get over this garbage sickness that I've had. It's not COVID. I was tested. Get Kick-Ass. So let's do like left to right here. You got Kick-Ass, 16 shots, 7 bucks. Brain Free, 16 shots, 7 bucks. And Mighty Shrimp, 16 shots, 7 bucks. What do we got down here? Tantrum. That is from Firestar. It's 58 bucks. A whole bunch of different effects on that. 12 shots. From left to right here we got Slice of Pie, 7 bucks, 16 shots. You got Game On, 16 shots, 7 bucks. You got Snitch, 16 shots, 7 bucks. Now the puppy. And we got, I'm gonna have to stand back for this. There we go. I'm already maxed out on my zoom. We got Wild Horses to the Left by Raccoon. It's 12 bucks, 25 shots. We got Top Maverick by Winda. It's 25 shots, 10 bucks. Hypnotic Monkey, 7 bucks, 20 shots. Crazy Like a Fox. It's 20 shots, 10 bucks by Bright Star. Down on the bottom here, we got Crisscross on the left. 12 bucks, 16 shots. Udder Tugger, 25 shots, 10 bucks. Great Expectations, 6 bucks, 9 shots. Yellow Fever, 6 shots, 7 bucks. Excuse me. Got a whole bunch. 2 racks, 9 on a board. On the bottom here, I guess I can roll through those real quick. Got National Security on the left. Down on the bottom, it's from No Name, it's 68 bucks. You got Nightlight from No Name, 9 shots, 43 bucks. Sea Breeze, 68 bucks. You got Split Personality, that is 42 bucks. Reaper's Eye, that is 68 bucks. There we go. You got Neon Blaster right there from Raccoon, 74 bucks. Got LOL from Winda, it's 9 shots, 45 bucks. Got Poker Run, 74 bucks. Yin and Yang from Winda, it's 105. Got American Anthem, it's 103. Uncle Sam, it's 97. Mother of All Bombs, 105. Ghost Killer, it's 105. You got Disco Ball, it's 121. You got Ghost Shell, Go show. What can I say? Is that 105? That's 105. Neon jellyfish. That is 96. You got 7 back there creeping. That's 99. We got pyro candy right there for 94, I believe. 94, 95. Zoom back out. Jeez. Make my way through here again. We got Brocade Bash, 12 shots by Pyro King. It's 21 bucks. We got Safari from No Name, 17 bucks for shot count I can't find. 12 shots. You got Chroma Chameleon, 13 bucks, 16 shots. You got Brat, 11 bucks for a shot count I can't see. You got Big and Bad, 12 shots, 15 bucks from Window. You got Frat Boys from No Name, 17 bucks, 10 shots. Wizards of Oz, 14 bucks, 19 shots. Get these right here. Rocket Fries from Winda, 13 bucks, 25 shots. Got Color Fish from Supreme, 11 bucks, 16 shots. Got Sinister. That's all it is. 6 shots, 7 bucks. You got Sit Boy from No Name, 30 shots, 44. That's all folks from No Name. It's 39 for 36 shots. And that'll probably do it for the first part. I'm gonna try to roll around here and get a couple more. See you in the next one.